what we're doing today is we are making string, and you could do this with practically any material. But for our guests who are coming out, we are taking pieces of raffia, which actually you can buy at the hobby store, and twisting this into an actual piece of string, which is very, very functional and very, very, very strong. So using the hands is we're taking two individual strands and we're hand twisting them into this little piece of string right here. We also have a rope making machine, and that is for making multiple strand rope. But it's the same concept, but you have a hand crank which enables you to make the rope a whole lot quicker and way more efficient. People have been needing things like string for tying all different kinds of things together, and there's all kinds of natural materials available, and it actually works out pretty well. There's been at least twice where I've actually needed a piece of string rope, but I didn't have any plant fibers, so I actually took trash bags, cut them into long strips, and made it into a piece of string just like this, used it for tying down. So it's not just historical, it's quite practical and useful. The feedback on the hands-on history has just been absolutely incredible. We did felting, where you're taking pieces of wool and you're literally poking it with a very specialized needle to compact the fibers and to make it into a little piece of felt. And some of these kids have been making hearts. Somebody made an evil-looking bunny. It's just been a lot of fun. It requires a little bit of patience and repetitive motions, so you can literally, folks have been zoning out and just hyper focusing on some of these crafts, and just then all of a sudden they kind of like check in and it's like they've made this amazing piece of felt or just about anything else we've been doing out here. The success of our hands-on history program wouldn't be possible if it weren't for all these teenagers who volunteered their summer vacation to come out here and help us out. They're amazing. They learn not only to do the hands-on history program, but they're learning to tell the stories, to learning how to effectively communicate in what we do out here. So our guests who come out here to the George Ranch Historical Park, biggest thing, I want you to have fun and to be able to learn a little bit of history, not by just looking at it through, looking at it through a display case. Come here, look at it, pick it up, see how it works, see what it's used for, and actually doing it. That's really bringing history to life. That's the goal of the George Ranch. This whole summer experience has been just an incredible amount of fun. It's making the summer pass by actually way too quickly. I'm having a great time. I'm hoping all the guests have a great time.